Hello world, my name is Diamond and Fern and I'm the CEO for Builders Music. Builders Music have been around over 2 decades now, producing a lot of hit songs and doing a lot of music. I like to introduce the world to our catalog of music, and this is why I'm doing this, Dia Warrior Music History. Because I've been in the music a long time, but I'm not the type of person to be on the forefront, just showing myself and all those things. With this new age of social media, I think it's a time where I can connect to my fans and connect to the world directly and let them get the music. Because Builders Music is very special, and I'm like the A&R for Builders Music also. Musician. I try to make positive music, as our motto says, positive music for life. Music that can educate and music that can inspire, music that can help the mind of the people, because there's a lot of things in the music, and we choose to empower the positive side, and that's why I want to present Builders Music to the world.